Hello everyone, my name is Nindi Dewi Lestari. Today, I would like to share a story about my place to live, especially about my flat in Hong Kong and my house in Indonesia. Through this story, I will describe my home, my environment, and my daily life based on the topic homes and building. First of all, I would like to talk about my current place to live. At the moment, I live in a flat number 14 on the 11th floor in Mei Fu, which is located in Sam Sui Po district, Hong Kong. My flat is part of a block of flats, a tall building where many people live in different units. This area is considered a residential area because it is mainly filled with houses and flats, not factories. The area where I live is quite busy and crowded, but it is also very convenient. From my flat, I can easily access the MTR station, supermarkets, small shops, and public facility. Because of this location, I can travel easily for work and daily activities. I do not need to travel very far to get what I need. Now, let me describe my flat in more details. My flat is not very big, but it is comfortable and practical. Inside my flat, there is a living room, a small kitchen, two bedrooms, and a bathroom. Everything is arranged carefully because the space is limited. Since my flat is on the 11th floor, it can receive enough sunlight during the day, and I can see the city view from my window. At the night, the city light look beautiful and make me feel calm. However, living in high-rise building also has some challenge. Because I live in the 11th floor, I have to use the lift every day. Sometimes, especially in the morning or evening, I may have to wait for the lift because many people are using it at the same time. This situation teaches me patience and time management. Living in a flat in Hong Kong also requires discipline because the space is small. I must keep my flat clean and tidy. Every day, I have to tidy up my bed, wipe down the table, and put away my belongings. I also have to take out the trash regularly so my flat stays clean and comfortable. Before leaving my flat, I must lock up the door and turn off the light. These routines are very important for safety and responsibility. In addition, because I live in a block of flats, I should be considered my neighbor. I should not make much noisy, especially at night. I must respect other people who live around me. Living in a flat teaches me how to live together with others and a shared environment. Besides living in Hong Kong, I also have a house in Malang, Indonesia. My house in Malang is very different from my flat in Hong Kong. It is a landed house, not a flat, and it is located in a quiet residential area. The environment is much calmer, greener, and less crowded. My house in Malang has a living room, four bedrooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, parking area, and a small yard. Because the house is bigger, I can move freely and feel more relaxed. When I stay there, I do not have to worry about limited space or noisy surrounding. I can open the windows, enjoy fresh air, and feel closer to nature. Living in my house in Malang gives me different feeling. It feels warmer and more personal. I can spend time with my family, talk together, and relax. I can also do many activities at home, such as cleaning the house, helping in the kitchen, or simply resting. That is why my house in Malang truly feels like home, not just a place to live. When I compare my flat in Hong Kong and my house in Malang, I realize that both places have advantage and disadvantage. Living in Hong Kong teaches me discipline, independence, and responsibility. I must manage my time, my space, and my daily routines carefully. On the other hand, living in Malang gives me comfort, peace, and emotional support from my family. In the future, I would like to spend more time in my house in Malang because it offers a peaceful and comfortable life. However, for now, I have to live in Hong Kong because of my responsibilities. Even though my flat is small, it can still meet my daily needs, and I am grateful for that. To conclude, my place to live have space who I am today. They teach me different life, value, and experiences. I believe that a home is not only a building, but also a place where we learn, grow, and feel safe. That is all about my place to life. Thank you very much for your attention.